let's just do a quick introduction video here. Hoping the sound's going to work on this. It's happened. It's happened. I bought a P38, and that. It's a good one, this one. Wow. Why wouldn't you? Why wouldn't you? So, what is it? Well, it's a P38, of course. Let me just get the gate pushed to 2, so I can actually get in here. It's obviously been standing quite a while. It needs a damn good TFR. It's 4.6 HSE. Look at that. S-Reg 1998. Generally quite straight. It's had a tint applied to it. See here, the tint's starting to kind of like peel. Oh, it opens. There we go. The dead spider down there. It stinks. Honestly, it's like horrific. I could have to leave it open to air it out. But a complete cream leather interior. Just smells really bad. Dropped headlining. Absolutely. Wouldn't expect anything else or anything less. I'm going to leave it open just to let some of that pong come out. Let's get rid of the stick here. Being a HSE, it's kind of got all of the toys. I'm not going to sit in it because it's disgusting. It's done a fair few miles. We've done, you can't see it on there, but looking at the MOT history, it's done about 146,000. I've got all of the documentation and so forth. It looks like someone's tried to get in over there. I don't quite know what's going on over there. Had a phone fitted at some point, Nokia phone. The owner left it with the handbrake off and the lever in neutral. No gold sovereigns. Oh, it's been to McDonald's though. Yeah, it's kind of complete. It's got its original Range Rover radio in it. HVAC. Coin tray. No onboard computer or anything like that. All of the kind of cruise and odds and sods. Let's see if we can get into the bonnet. We might be able to get into the bonnet, we might not. I have to balance you on L95. Let's put you up there. Look. Position the... I don't know whether you can see. You can now. I don't know if this can open. Hey, where's... So there's an engine in here. I've got no idea. I've never been into a P38 before. I've got no idea how you get into the engine. I'm going to have a look. Anyone? No. Just thinking about it. Oh, it's a money spider. I might need you. There we go. Yes. No battery. There's no battery in it. It's got all the air suspension in it. Worryingly unplugged. Don't know why that's unplugged. I've got no idea if it turns. Has it got oil in there? Yes. Well, there you go. I mean, what can you say about a £500 P38? I really don't know what you can say about a £500 P38. Other than, no, I wasn't drunk. I guess it'll open. No, that one doesn't open. That one does. I suppose I've done more stupid things in my life. The tyres hold air, but not really suitable for much else. I'm going to leave the doors open actually, just air it out a little bit. I don't know what's going on with this door. This could be why the cover's off on the inside. It's got itself stuck closed. EAS unplugged. Got oil in the engine. 4.6. Complete. serpentine. I know nothing about them at all. Nothing at all. There is nothing I know about these cars. I don't know what to say. Ouch! Well, someone's had the fuse box cover off as well. It's back on the wrong way round. Oh, it goes that way round. Fix something. Fix something already. Already fixed something. I've got no idea if this thing, the coolant in this thing is even got antifreeze in it. I'd be most fucking disappointed if it hasn't. Not a lot of coolant in there. It smells of antifreeze. The brakes work on it apparently. So when I was towing Dave round here, just broke a nail. Yes. Oh, this door open. So I'm inside already. I promised I wasn't going to do this. I'm not going to get distracted by this car. The handle's broken. I don't know what's going on there. That's going to end up being a world of pain, I'm sure. Least of my worries at the moment. I honestly don't know what to say. Oh, it's got a sunroof. That's probably why it's all damp in here. Well, it's actually not actually damp. I don't think. It's just musty. Tailgate probably opens, but how do you open the tailgate one of these things? It'll be electronically activated, won't it? It'll be a solenoid because you've got the twin. Yeah, there'll be an electronic solenoid. Oh, there's a dent. Other than that, though, it's pretty fucking horrific, isn't it, really? I think on the whole, it is horrific. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. Don't really know why I bought it. You just got to do these things sometimes, I think. It wants a fucking good pressure wash, that's what it wants. I might drag it up to Steve's pressure washer. So I think really going to lob a battery in there at some point when I'm brave enough and see if it fires up. Should do. I mean, bearing in mind the fuel that's in it is going to be 6 years old. Headlight wash wipe. And there, some useful parts on this. Fish tank headlight units. Got no idea what to say. Oh, there's all the coil packs down there. Wonder where they all were. Again, I know nothing about these things. Cruise control. Of course it's got cruise control. It's got a pair of old underpants as well by the looks of things. A fair bit of wildlife in here. That'll be interesting. I don't know what the worst that's going to happen is. It's got that smell in it, like I'm trying to think what it. I had a company Cavalier that I loaned to a mate, and when it came back, it was it just had this horrible smell to it, and it turned out that there was a pork pie underneath the driver's seat, and it was that. So it was just horrific. What's that piece off? Oh, bottom of the driver's door. I want to get it going. Just not today. It wants to get going. It does want to get going. It wants to be going. Oh, it'll be a project for the future. I don't know what you guys think. Maybe you do think I'm a lunatic. I think I'm a lunatic. Whether you think I'm a lunatic or not, I don't know. But yeah, there'll be a series on P38 coming up. And then Adrian turned up with the truck yesterday. Thank you, Adrian. I'll look after it for you. You can have it back when I've finished. Right, and then back on to Bob. Oh, and Series 3's in here, but you've seen that already.